Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to stop Meta AI from suggesting your vibes on Instagram? You can turn this off in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want more privacy and better control over where your content appears. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and go to data and privacy. Next, tap suggest your vibes on other apps. You will see a section that says allow your vibes to be suggested on. Below that, you will find Instagram with a toggle. If the toggle is enabled, your vibes may be suggested on Instagram. To stop this, simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, your vibes will no longer be suggested on Instagram. This helps keep your content more private and under your control. And that's how to stop Meta AI from suggesting your vibes on Instagram on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.